Ready? This is Ryan again. And if you've been watching announcements, you've noticed I post some videos about some content. Typically, I look at what students are missing, misconceptions, common errors, things like that. And I provide some video links to those type of things. But for this video, I wanted to point out your e-text. So if you log into My Math Lab, yours will look very similar to mine. A little bit different, though, because mine is a instructor. Access, yours is a student. So it'll look a little bit different. But you'll have some things along the side over here, similar to mine. And I want to focus on e-text contents. So click on that. And over here is your e-text. So once you click on that, you'll go up here to view the e-text for your course. And our next section, I believe, is review section number 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at that section. So once it opens up, you'll see this is review chapter. Here's the contents of all your different chapters. That little button right there, click on that. This is the home. This is your content. And we're going to go down to section 4. And this is your e-text. And some things I want to point out to you. This is like a regular textbook, but there's some additions to it that make it more dynamic, and that is these videos. If you hover over these videos, you'll get to watch different videos of the content that you're learning in this class. You go to page 38. You're going to notice there's other videos. So like I said, I provide you a lot of content through the videos, but you should really be focusing on what's in your book and watching these videos to learn the material. So here's a video, then here's how you try it. So it allows you to watch a video, and it allows you to try an example. So again, I wanted to point that out to you, that your book is really good. It has lots of different videos in there and things like that. So I hope this helps. I'll talk to you later. This is Ryan. Bye.